On behalf of the University of Florida College of Nursing family, I extend my sincere congratulations to each and every one of you on your great accomplishment. This is truly a milestone achievement for you and to the family members and friends who have supported you. Today, we celebrate you and your pledge to professional nursing. Pinning signifies your transformation from graduate into your professional nursing career. It is also appropriate, as we honor the 200th anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth, to recognize nursing's dedication to improving health and wellness of patients all over the world. Florence Nightingale had a profound impact on the nursing profession, and in 1880, she chose the Maltese Cross as the badge to be worn by the graduates of her first training school. As the profession of nursing developed, each school chose a unique pin to be presented to their graduates. The College of Nursing pin can be and should be worn with pride whenever UF nurses are engaged in the practice of nursing. It is a distinct symbol of the University of Florida and communicates our dedication to the highest standards of nursing care. I hope you wear it proudly as you embark on this next chapter of your lives.
I am happy and privileged to offer hearty congratulations to our accelerated BSN class of 2020. You have risen to meet the challenges of a rigorous curriculum and an unprecedented semester of challenges. You have worked hard and excelled in the classroom and in the clinical settings. Congratulations. The College of Nursing is now pleased to bestow awards to those undergraduate students who have exemplified the tripart college motto, care, lead, inspire, for which the awards are named. These students were selected by the faculty as those who best embody each of these attributes. Nurses are the heart of the healthcare system across the world. For more than 60 years, the University of Florida College of Nursing has prepared nurses to provide the highest quality care. The same care they would give to their own family members. The UF College of Nursing Awards Excellence in Nursing Care recipient is Gabrielle Vassallo. Those who lead nursing today will determine its future. The UF College of Nursing has always produced outstanding leaders. Our nurses lead in the transformation of healthcare. The UF College of Nursing Award for Excellence in Nursing Leadership recipient is Caroline Peet. Inspiration is defined as the ability to encourage others to greater efforts or enthusiasm. Gator nurses inspire others, patients, family members, colleagues, and future nurses through their commitment to excellence. The UF College of Nursing Award Excellence in Inspiring Others recipient is Stephanie Akara. The award for excellence in community service recognizes a graduate student who has demonstrated outstanding commitment to service in the community. The UF College of Nursing Award for Excellence in Community Service is presented to Ryan Gutmacher. Gator nurses pride themselves on fostering full engagement with diverse students and diverse community members that creates a climate of inclusion and promotes diversity to enhance education, research, and other positive learning outcomes. The UF College of Nursing Award for Diversity and Inclusion recipient is Fabiola Perry Charles. Congratulations to all and to the entire Accelerated BSN class of 2020. At this time, I am honored to introduce Lauren Rowe, who will provide brief remarks on behalf of her class, followed by Ashley Marie Bodo, a member of the College of Nurses Alumni Council, who will recite the pledge for professional nurses and share brief remarks.
Greetings, faculty, family, friends, and fellow graduates, and welcome to the University of Florida College of Nursing Class of 2020 pinning ceremony. My name is Lauren Rowe, and I am honored to have the opportunity to speak to all of you on such a momentous occasion as a Gator Nurse Ambassador and representative of the Class of 2020 Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing graduates. Thank you to the Nursing Alumni Council, whose generosity and hard work allows us to have this wonderful tradition. I know the ceremony looks a little different than we had planned, but I'm still glad we are able to recognize this accomplishment virtually. Thank you to all the friends and family who have joined us in celebrating this important milestone that marks the successful completion of our nursing degree and beginning of our nursing careers. Thank you to my fellow nursing students who have been with me every step of the way in our journey to become Gator nurses. As we all waited not so patiently on a Friday in February at 5 p.m. for our acceptance emails, sat in orientation learning about all the books and online platforms we needed to use, received our white coats, and even as we enjoyed our spring break before the world shut down, I'm sure this is not how we envisioned we would end our time in nursing school. It has been a whirlwind 15 months and 4 semesters in the College of Nursing. From our early days of nursing school orientation, we learned that this program was going to be fast-paced and challenging. We learned a new vocabulary that included HESI exams, evidence-based practice, windshield surveys, and the dreaded SATA questions. We built communities within our cohort, the orange and blue groups in Gainesville and the Jacksonville cohort, our clinical groups who met before sunrise on our units, our small community groups, and Gator Nurse Ambassadors. We met Tina from Shadow Health and learned that, like real patients, she really liked to dodge our questions, and little did we know how this would prepare us for virtual clinicals. Many of us got caught in the rain before our first patho-pharm exam and had to take it soaking wet and shivering in the auditorium. We also got to know our faculty on many personal levels, like Dr. All, who loves minions, has an infectious laugh, and let one of our classmates teach her how to whip. Dr. Schreier, who was my first clinical faculty, always brought us candy, inspired many of us to pursue a career in pediatrics. We learned quickly that nursing exams and NCLEX-style questions were nothing like our past classes, and because of that, we spent hours together in the Communicore library study rooms. We passed our very first HESI exam and health assessment and got our white coats. Almost all of us posted the quintessential white coat photo on social media, along with the classic photo in scrubs in front of the College of Nursing. In second semester, we thought we had gotten the hang of this nursing school thing, but quickly learned that we were in for the hardest semester of our nursing school career. On the first day of patho-pharm 2, we played Escape the Room, and honestly, it felt like the game continued the whole semester. With 5 classes, it felt like we had an exam every Friday, and sometimes we had back-to-back exams to really keep us on our toes. This semester was also when we started practicing our nursing skills each week in lab, learning how to place IVs, changing ostomy bags filled with brown M&Ms, and giving medications. Adult Acute taught us about the flipped classroom, and I learned that I was not very good at making posters. We got to see Dr. Jean Watson at the convocation ceremony after learning about her in Lead and Inspire, and discovered not only how squeaky the chairs in the auditorium really are, but also how bad nursing students are at sitting still for 2 hours. We got through another 2 HESI exams, and at the end of second semester, I thought to myself, if we can survive this semester, we can do anything. And third semester proved that we really could. By third semester, we started to become real nurses. We placed IVs, inserted Foley catheters, started giving medications, and taking on more responsibility for our patients. We witnessed births and labor and delivery, and got our first experience working with children in pediatrics. We came back from spring break excited and ready to switch into our new clinical rotation, and then COVID-19 began to spread in the U.S. Countless times throughout nursing school, we were told that nurses have to be flexible. When the pandemic started and school quickly transitioned online, we demonstrated that we had taken that message to heart of having to be flexible. We all adjusted to school and clinicals from home. Many people moved back home with family or tried to Zoom with their children while also completing online schooling. While everyone learned how to make sourdough bread, we figured out how to distance learn and how to use Zoom. Can you hear me? I think you're on mute. Can you see my screen? Or everyone's favorite, please turn on your video so I can see you. Fourth semester, we realized that we weren't going to come back to campus for the rest of the program. When we received our white coats our first semester, I envisioned that our pinning ceremony would be our full circle moment to celebrate how far we've come and how much we've learned. Even though we don't get to be together in person, it is amazing to see what we have accomplished. From first semester wondering how we'd remember all the steps in a head-to-toe assessment to now, I've seen my classmates develop into incredible nurses who are going to become leaders in healthcare. Our class embodies the UF College of Nursing motto of care, lead, and inspire. As the pandemic continues and we face the possibility of further division and social unrest in the US, we are met with unique challenges as we enter the nursing workforce. I know that each of us will rise to that challenge and jump right into our chosen specialties. We will care for our patients and fellow healthcare workers during a global pandemic. We will lead change in a system that is overloaded and needs systemic changes to better care for all patients. And each of you will inspire me to live up to the standards of what it means to be a Gator nurse. Congratulations to my fellow Class of 2020 Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing graduates.
Graduates, an updated version of the Florence Nightingale Pledge is located on the back of your pinning program. Please say with me the Pledge for Professional Nursing. I also invite all those viewing this ceremony who are professional nurses, including faculty members, alumni council members, and any guests who are nurses, to join in the pledge. In full knowledge of the obligations I am undertaking, I promise to care for the sick with all the skill and all the understanding I possess, without regard to race, creed, color, politics, or social status, sparing no effort to preserve quality of life, alleviate suffering, and to promote health as affirmed by the person. I will respect at all times the dignity and beliefs of the patients under my care, holding in confidence all personal information entrusted to me, and refraining from any action which may endanger life or health. I will endeavor to keep my professional knowledge and skill at the highest level, and to give support and cooperation to all members of the healthcare team. I will do my utmost to honor the American Nurses Association Code of Ethics and to uphold the integrity of the profession. Thank you. The words of the pledge bring back so many memories from when I was where you are today. In 2014, I too graduated from the Accelerated BSN program. As a proud alumna and as a member of the UF College of Nursing's Alumni Council, today I wear my Gator pin proudly to show I am a Gator nurse. I always knew I wanted to work in the medical field, but my dream role has changed over the years. My journey to get my Gator degrees wasn't easy. When I applied to UF for the first time, I was denied acceptance. So I attended Santa Fe College, worked really hard, and applied to transfer into the Bachelor of Health Science program at UF. After my first year in the program, I had some experiences that caused me to change my mind. That is when I decided that instead of going to school to become a physician's assistant, I wanted to become a nurse practitioner. So while I worked towards completing my BHS, I also applied to several accelerated nursing programs. Unfortunately, I was waitlisted at UF. I had some other choices, but my heart was at UF. Then my future changed. I got the call from Ken Foote that I was accepted into the Accelerated BSN program at the University of Florida College of Nursing. I was in. Those 15 months were some of the most challenging and rewarding times of my life. After working as a nurse for 5 years and not being accepted by UF initially, I'm delighted to share that I will be starting the UF Doctor of Nursing Practice program in the fall. These are challenging and uncertain times, but one thing is for certain. Your education at the College of Nursing will set you up for success. It is an honor to be a Gator nurse, and I am looking forward to you all joining this amazing, innovative, caring profession. Good luck on your future careers and the lifelong journey of learning. Congratulations, graduates. Go Gator nurses.
Thank you, Lauren and Ashley Marie. Now for the presentation of pins to the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Class of 2020. As your names are scrolled, the individual each graduate has chosen should proceed with pinning the graduate, or the graduate may don the pin themselves. We are so proud of all of our graduates and the many who have preceded them, forging a path of excellence. You follow a great legacy of Gator nurses who care, lead, and inspire. Please take care and stay safe. Go Gator nurses!